What the heck is Web 3.0? Tell me the truth. Did you realize we're up to Web 3.0 already? If your honest answer is, huh? Don't feel bad. I'm not really sure when that happened either. As I understand it, Web 1.0 started way back in the dark ages when the internet was invented so military and academic computers could share information. And kind of like the folks who lived in years that ended in either BC or AD or BCE and ACE, they didn't use those acronyms on their driver's licenses. I'm pretty sure the people involved in Web 1.0 didn't know 2.0 was coming either. It just did. Because right after Y2K, the whole web craze popped like a soap bubble alighting on a cactus. And when the dust finally cleared, we all discovered that we were suddenly in Web 2.0. And then, somewhere around COVID or the dawn of this new decade, we emerged from our isolation and discovered ourselves smack dab in Web 3.0. While I'm not entirely sure what the differences are between versions 1, 2, and 3, an advantage of the 3.0 version is that now I can pose the question to ChatGPT, and its AI can clear it all up for me. Quote, Web 1.0 refers to the early days of the internet, characterized by static websites and limited user interaction. During this era, roughly from the late 1980s to the early 2000s, websites primarily consisted of simple HTML pages that provided information to users. The content was mostly one way, with users passively consuming information without much ability to contribute or interact. Websites were mainly used for publishing and accessing static content like text and images. Web 2.0 marked a significant shift in how people interacted with the internet. It emerged in the mid-2000s and continues to be the dominant phase of the web today. Web 2.0 introduced a more interactive and participatory experience for users. Key features of Web 2.0 include social media platforms, user-generated content, collaboration tools, and web applications. Websites became dynamic, allowing users to create, share, and collaborate on content. Web 3.0 is a concept that describes the future direction of the internet, focusing on enhanced user experiences, advanced technologies, and a more intelligent and personalized web. While there is no universally agreed upon definition for Web 3.0, it generally involves the integration of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, blockchain, augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, to create more sophisticated and interconnected online experiences. Web 3.0 aims to provide users with a more decentralized, secure, and personalized web environment. Make sense? The most gratifying sentence in the AI response was this: while there is no universally agreed upon definition for Web 3.0. Why do I point that out? Because that means ChatGPT doesn't really know what Web 3.0 is either. None of that ambiguity means that there aren't scores of engineers, marketers, and futurists working on Web 3.0, selling Web 3.0, and prognosticating on Web 3.0. And why should I be any different? So at 3 p.m. on Wednesday, June 21st, 2023, I will join the Alpha Collective to talk about Web 3.0 and how you can prepare for it. I'd love for you to tune in live and listen and watch the conversation. You can do that at the link in the blog. Of course, because this is Web 3.0, those pesky rules of time and space have been overridden, and you can access the show whenever you like. Just click on the link also in the blog. What is the Alpha Collective? According to their website, the Alpha Collective is a Web 3 business focused on the business of Web 3. I'll bet that cleared everything up, didn't it? Yeah, it didn't work so well for me either. I can promise you that my presentation will be brilliant, or that I'll fall flat on my face and embarrass myself. But of course, you won't know if you don't go. Or, to paraphrase that star of 1930s Web 0.0, Oliver Hardy, here's another fine mess you've gotten me into.